used 2014 Witzco Challenger Lowboy has just been added to inventory at Midco Sales trailer dealership. This heavy haul trailer is 52 feet long and has a hauling capacity of 50 tons. The hydraulic detachable gooseneck has a self-contained hydraulic system. The main deck measures 24 feet long. And this trailer is equipped with outriggers for hauling larger equipment. The tires have about 70% of their tread remaining and are mounted on outer aluminum wheels. This is a tri-axle trailer with air ride suspension and a liftable third axle that can be raised when not needed. A 5-foot beaver tail and ramps allow machinery to be loaded from the rear of the trailer. Visit midcosales.com for more information on any of the Lowboy trailers in stock.